to help new drivers earn more money. That's what this is about. If you're trying to make more money with Doordash,
yes, sir.
I'm your boy, the Dashing Trader, and in today's video, we're gonna talk about shop and deliver orders on Doordash and how new drivers can fulfill these orders and really maximize when you're out there doing it. So first and foremost, if you ain't already subscribed, I need you to hit that subscribe button and hit that like button. Let's get right into it. So Doordash is a food delivery platform that allows customers to order from local restaurants and also grocery stores and convenience stores. So Doordash also has a service called Shop and Deliver, and that allows customers to place orders for groceries and household items and also from your local stores. And as a Doordash driver, you can choose to accept these offers, right, which require you to shop and deliver the offer, so you actually able to make more money, and they typically have a higher base pay. You're gonna get to the grocery store, you're gonna shop the orders, you're gonna deliver them, but there's a little bit more that it entails when you get these orders, right? Let's hop right into it. When you receive the order, it's gonna show up as a shop and deliver order, and you will see maybe like a list of items or how many items you may need to get from the store, right? And it's also gonna give you a little bit of information like the location, you know, the payout of the order, little things here and there, right? It's important that you pay close attention to the item, because you want to make sure if you're able to get the items that they requested or get a suitable replacement. But the main thing is you want to make sure you're paying attention getting those items and replacing them if you can. But things happen, just do your best on those. Now, you can contact the customer and get some clarification as far as what type of replacements they want, you know, if they want a replacement or not. But once you accept the order, it's going to direct you to the store location. So a lot of times they have in-app navigation on the Doordash app, or it may default you to Google Maps. But you're going to need to locate the items inside the store once you get there. So it's a good idea that you familiarize yourself with these different grocery stores or convenience stores you may be picking up from, right? How you going to be paying for these orders? Well, Dashers have red cards, and if you don't have a red card, you can simply open up your Dasher app and go through a couple prompts and you can get a new one requested, but it will cost you. I want you to understand that this red card can only be used for shop and deliver orders. This is not your Dasher direct card or a card you could use to purchase additional items for yourself. Don't do it. Bad idea. What I want you to do is just really focus on getting those items, getting up and down those aisles quickly, and getting that order completed, right? That way you can increase your hourly rate, because shop and deliver orders pay pretty much the best when it comes to Doordash. Aside from the large order program and the catering orders, you're gonna make good money on the shop and delivers. So check this out. Once you've purchased all the items, you need to check out. You need to confirm the total of the amount you spent, and they may have you take a picture of the receipt or something along the lines of that, right? After that, you can proceed to the delivery address and you can deliver the items. And most of the time, it's take a picture of the order, leave it at door. Every now and then you may get a hand to me, but for the most part, it's gonna be straightforward, leave at door, simple. Because what I've noticed is when it's not a food delivery order, it's not specifically a tight time frame. So you more, you more likely to get an order where it's just a leave at door versus a customer who needs those items handed directly to them, right? The Doordash app will send them a message when you arrive with the delivery, but it may not be something that they specifically waiting for, right? Just keep that in mind. The main thing I want you to realize is these orders are profitable. So once the delivery is complete, you mark you got it delivered, you take your picture, yada yada yada. Now here's the thing, it's important that you follow these steps, because I want to make sure that you getting your payment for these deliveries that you're doing, and I don't want you to encounter any hiccups when you in a delivery process, and keep those wheels rolling basically. And look, that's pretty much it right there. You follow those steps, you do it just like that, you're gonna be able to complete shop and delivers. And what I've noticed is they can actually be fun and rewarding, because not only are you shopping for items, fulfilling that customer order, but you get to kind of see what's going on in the grocery stores. You get a better feel for what the items are. So shop and delivers offer something different, right, than the average food delivery. And it's just one of the perks of being an independent contractor. You get to mix up your bag of how you want to make your money. So look, if you found this video informative or you found value in it, please leave me a like and a subscribe. I'm trying to bring y'all more videos like this to help new drivers earn more money. That's what this is about. If you're trying to make more money with Doordash, I'm here for you. So look, I appreciate you. I'll catch you in the next one.